Hi, this is Dr. Girish AC, consultant plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I am heading Curls and Curves Cosmetic Surgery Center, Vijayanagara, Bangalore. Liposuction is a proven cosmetic procedure with the management of obesity. So the results are always for lifetime. Along with the exercise and diet, they can maintain the results achieved. There are several techniques in the liposuction. The one is the standard liposuction, also called as classical liposuction. Here they use cannulas. The suctioning is done mechanically as the technology is improved. So we are utilizing the making use of the technology. So all these techniques aims to give the good results only. Advantage of this recent technology over the standard liposuction is that the pain will be very minimal, the clearance will be thorough, so we can give them a high definition contours. The results are permanent, the proper shaping is done here, pain will be very minimal, and also the recovery will be early, the swelling will be minimal, so they can resume their activities very early, back to their gym activities very early. There are some definitive advantages with the advanced technology. Apart from this, the surgeon's experience and the number of cases they have done, techniques also matters. Let us understand how the obesity happens. So the obesity is usually the root cause is genetic or hereditary. Here, as per the genetic destiny, the fat cells size will increase, whereas the number will not increase during one's lifetime after the adult age. Here, the size can increase as per genetic destiny. The size can be decreased with the exercise and diet, which is temporary. Once they leave behind this diet and exercise, so once again it will re-expand. So then, with the liposuction, the fat cells, the numbers itself is decreased. For example, in case of tummy area, if the total numbers are 1000 cells are there, and with the liposuction we remove around 85%, so only 150 cells are left behind. So this gives a permanent solution as long as the person maintains a healthy lifestyle, because even the left alone the 150 cells to be maintained, but it definitely decreases the burden and they need not do too much of diet or exercise for lifetime. So thereby the results are very permanent. If we think about any side effects are there, so when the experienced cosmetic surgeon does this liposuction using a good techniques and also making use of the advanced technology, the side effects will be minimized or nil, except some temporary issues. Temporary issues are like some swelling, some numbness around the liposuction area, some hardness will be happening in that area. So these things are temporary, will improve in 2 to 3 months of time. They will not have any the permanent issues. So more or less this is a very safe technique, especially when done by an experienced cosmetic surgeon, and the results are always permanent. So all these techniques are having advanced technology, and results will be permanent and immediate, and also reduces the pain, reduces the recovery time, reduces the swelling, so the patient can be comfortable, so we can achieve high definition, good contours. Usually this is considered as a daycare procedure with a morning admission, evening discharge. Roughly we take around 2 to 3 hours to complete the procedure for an individual part. To begin with, the part is infiltrated with the tumescent fluid, so that is a medicated fluid, and this fluid will disperse the fat and liquefy the fat. So after that we make around 4 to 5 mm tiny holes through which the 4 to 5 mm cannulas are used to do a liposuction procedure, and these holes are kept in the hidden area and it heals very well without leaving any scars. So they will be discharged same day evening. Pain will be very minimal, and the minimal pain is also covered or controlled with the painkillers. So they need to wear one pressure garment. The pressure garment like abdominal belt or sort of any other pressure garment for the given area. So they need to wear it for next 1 to 1.5 months time. So they need to take initial 1 or 2 days of some rest. They will come back to us for initial dressing. After 2 to 3 days, the holes are very minimized. So we put waterproof plaster for those tiny holes, and they can have normal body bath. After that, they can also resume normal routine activities, and they will come back after 15 days. We remove the waterproof plaster and we advise them to do some massage. or the parts. With the massage, so they can reduce some swelling, hardness there, and more or less within 2 to 3 months it becomes very soft, supple, normal, and after that of course they need not wear anything. The major physical activities can be resumed after 2 to 3 weeks time. So the results are always permanent.